I imagine you find the main square of the Old Town of Carini very charming, exactly in the same way I do. Why film in that place? Because the property that I'm about to show you is located just 30 seconds by walk from there. And here it is. This property consists of ground, first, second and third floor, and beyond that 2 levels more just beside it. So it's 6 levels in total. However, before stepping in, I'd like to show you down the road. In fact, down here it's possible to understand what's happening in general in Carini, talking about the public works. Take a look at this road. As you can see yourself, it's made with blocks in marble, but you gotta know that before this road was covered with asphalt, but at a certain point the current administration decided to remove it and to place these blocks. And all of it just to recover the ancient imaging of the city. In this construction site they are doing exactly the same work. So, as you can see, there are many public interesting works going on here. Also, there is this big center where you can find fresh fruit and vegetables. Now, I'd say it's time to explore this magnificent and historical house. As you can see, there are 2 entrances, one for the ground floor and the other one for the stairs. Down here, you can place a sofa and eventually a sofa bed if you need a further bedroom. Against the wall, instead, the television. That's why there's the specific socket for it. By opening this door, we can access to the master bathroom of the house, equipped with shower, toilet and sink. Now it's time to go upstairs. To the first floor, we can find the master bedroom of the house. And basically this level is given by 2 rooms. Here the proper bedroom. It's very important to notice the ceiling made with beams in wood. Very old and completely restored. Now pay attention to the tiles of the floor, very old and rare to find nowadays. On the left, 3 shelves open on the wall by using the space that before belonged to the bathroom. And here the spare toilet with natural light. Look how beautiful the tiles are. Impressive. Now it's time to explore the balcony. Even the railing is very old. Somebody told me older than 100 years. Handmade, obviously. Today, making this kind of railing will cost a lot of money. Now we are headed to the second floor. There is the space dedicated to the kitchen. Again, those kind of tiles, so beautiful, very Sicilian. And here the space we're placing a table with chairs. Pay attention to the game that we are having. And again, the presence of a balcony. Now, let's move to the top floor. So we gotta get the last stairs. First of all, I wish you to notice how beautiful the ceiling is. It has been made new, completely new, by tearing down the previous one. And the last one is made with beams in wood, as you can see. Down there on the corner, the space where placing the wash machine. And out here, this big and bright terrace. I know what you're wondering right now. You could say, Giuseppe, you said at the beginning of the video that there are 6 levels in this property. So where are the 2 missing? Let's say we have to get through this door to reach them. Here it's practically like having another house. First of all, let's explore the level in front of us that consists of 2 rooms, both served with electricity. In short, this part of the house is being sold in shell form, so you can arrange it as you wish. Also, let's note the presence of these steel beams that have been put there just to make the floor very secure, to last in time. Even the loft that we are about to see right now is new. And in general, what makes this floor very interesting is to be partly in wood and partly in concrete. We could say that this level here is a kind of solarium, where eventually you can even arrange a party with your friends, to put on some music, to grill some meat, to enjoy this crazy and beautiful landscape that can brag the presence of a wonderful sea view. I know that by the screen the effect is not the best, but trust me, by person is completely another story. And to give you a final imaging of the place, I wish you to stay with me a bit longer. We have reached the highest point of the property, from where it's possible to enjoy a 36 degrees view of Carini's whole town. And not only that, since from here we can have the chance to enjoy an astonishing sea view. Simply breathless. from Carini and this crazy property, it's all